Hi dear students, welcome back to Gurdeva e-learning classes. Yes dear children, I hope all of you be safe in your home, isn't it? Yes. Yes dear children, in our surrounding we observe different types of trees. Is it? Yes, we observe banyan trees, mango trees, neem trees. Is it? Yes or no? Yes, we observe different types of trees. Okay dear children, what does tree needs for its growth? What does tree needs for its growth? Dear children, already you know that the tree needs air, water and sunlight to grow. Is it? Yes. Yes dear children, like today's topic is about fifth poem, Growth of a Tree. Today's topic is about fifth poem, Growth of a Tree. Dear children, please all of you open your textbook on page number 38. In that page number, there is a fifth poem. The poem name is Growth of a Tree. The Growth of a Tree poem was written by Meish Goldish. The Growth of a Tree poem written by Meish Goldish. Dear children, before going to discuss the poem, we have to learn something about the poet. Shall we? Yes. Yes, Meish Goldish born in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Meish Goldish born in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Tulsa, this is name of district. Oklahoma is name of state. And he born in America. Meish Goldish born in Tulsa district, Oklahoma state and American country. America country. Yes, dear children, he is an author of fiction and non-fiction and poetry. He is an author of fiction, non-fiction and poetry. He is an author of imaginary and non-imaginary and poetry. Yes, dear children, he has written over 300 books. He has written over 300 books. In those books, there is a famous book, The Puzzle Tales. Puzzle Tales won the Learning Magazine's Teacher Choice Award. He has written over 300 books. In those books, the famous book is The Puzzle Tales. Puzzle Tales. This book won the Learning Magazine's Teacher Choice Award. Yes, dear children, this is about little information about the poet. Okay. Yes, dear children, the growth of a tree. Growth of a tree poem's highlights are the different growing stages of maple tree. Have seen maple tree? Yes, we can see mango tree, banyan tree, neem tree. Is it? Like, have seen maple tree? Yes, we can't see maple tree in our country because of weather. We can see in the China, Canada, America and Japan and others country. Yes, dear children. Here, maple means a tree or shrub with 5 pointed leaves, grown for its timber and syrupy sap. Maple means one of the tree name. We can see in other country. The tree has 5 pointed leaves. 5 pointed leaves like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The maple tree has 5 pointed leaves and grown for its timber and syrupy sap. In the other country, the maple tree is growing for timber, for furniture, and syrupy sap for syrup. So they grow the maple tree in other countries. Yes, dear children, already I told you this poem about the maple tree and different stages of maple tree, from little root to a small plant, and then the tree becomes very large and strong. This is summary about the growth of a tree poem. And in this poem, the maple tree is going to say about itself. What are the things it needs to grow, and when its leaves blooming, and when its leaves fall down. All about this maple tree is going to say about itself in this poem. Yes, dear children, please open your textbook on page number 38. Now I am going to sing the poem. All of you follow me. Yes. Poem number 5. Growth of a tree. I am a little maple, oh so small. In years ahead I will grow so tall. With a lot of water, sun and hair, I will soon be way up there. Deep inside the soil my roots are found, drinking the water in underground. Water from the roots my trunk receives, then my trunk start making leaves. I am a little maple, oh so small. In years ahead I will grow so tall. As I start to climb in altitude, leaves on my branches will make food. Soon my trunk and branches will grow wide, and I will grow more bark outside. I am a little maple, oh so small. In years ahead I will grow so tall. I will be a maple very tall, losing my leaves when it is fall. But when it's spring, new leaves will show. How do trees grow? Now you know. I am a little maple, oh so small. In years ahead I will grow so tall. Yes, dear children, once more. I am a little maple, oh so small. In years ahead I will grow so tall. With a lot of water, sun and hair, I will soon be way up there. Deep inside the soil my roots are found, drinking the water in underground. Water from the roots my trunk receives, then my trunk starts making leaves. I am a little maple, oh so small. In years ahead I will grow so tall. As I start to climb in altitude, leaves on my branches will make food. Soon my trunk and branches will grow wide, and I will grow more bark outside. I am a little maple, oh so small. In years ahead I will grow so tall. I will be a maple very tall, losing my leaves when it is fall. But when it is spring, new leaves will show. How do trees grow? Now you know. I am a little maple, oh so small. In years ahead I will grow so tall. Yes, dear children, like the poet Mish Goldish has written the poem Growth of a Tree. Yes, dear children, come to the first paragraph. Come to the first stanza. I am a little maple, oh so small. In years ahead, I will grow so tall. With a lot of water, sun and air, I will soon be way up there. Yes, dear children, in this poem, the maple tree is saying about itself. Already I told you, in this poem, the maple tree is going to say about itself. The different stages of growing maple tree. Is it? Yes. Yes, the maple tree is saying, now I am little. Now I am a little maple. Now I am a little maple, small maple. I am very small because of I am very little. And in years ahead, I will grow so tall. The maple tree is saying, now I am so small and I am little, very little and very small. And few years after, I will grow so tall. I will grow so tall. And with a lot of water, sun, light and air. By using the water, sunlight and air, I will become so tall, and I will soon be way up there. Now I am very little and small, and few years after, by using the water, air and sunlight, I will be way up there. I will become very tall. I will become very tall. Like in the first stanza, the maple tree is going to say about that. I am a little maple. Now I am very small. By using the water, sunlight and air, I will become very tall, and I will soon be way up there. I will soon be way up there. Day by day, I will become very tall. Like the maple plant told in the first stanza. What is told? I am a little maple who is so small. In years ahead, I will grow so tall. By using the water, sun and air, I will soon be way up there. Soon I will become very tall. Yes, dear children, already I told you maple is one of the tree name. Is it? Maple is one of the tree name. Is it? Maple means a tree or shrub. Shrub means small bushes. Is it? Shrub means small bushes. Is it? Yes, a tree or shrub with 5 pointed leaves. Which tree has 5 pointed leaves? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like the maple tree leaves has 5 pointed. The maple tree has 5 pointed leaves like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, dear children, maple means a tree or shrub with 5 pointed leaves grown for its timber or syrupy sap. Maple means one of the tree name. It's located in outer country, and grown for this tree grown for timber or furnitures. Is it? And also syrupy sap. For syrup also they growing the maple tree in the outer country like Canada, China, Japan and America. Yes, dear children, after that we have to come to the second stanza. Deep inside the soil my roots are found, drinking the water in underground. Water from the roots my trunk receives, then my trunk starts making leaves. Yes, dear children, in the first stanza, the maple tree said that now I am a little maple, so I am very small. Few years after, by using the water, sun and air, I will become very tall, and I will soon be way up there, like the maple tree said in the first stanza. After that, the maple tree is going to say in the second stanza, deep inside the soil my roots are found. Deep inside the soil there are my roots. Those roots are going to absorb the water in underground. Roots are going to absorb the water in underground, and after the roots are going to drink the water in the underground. When the roots are going to drink the water from the roots, trunk will receive the water from the roots. What is the meaning of trunk? Trunk means the main woody stem of a tree. Trunk means the main woody stem of a tree. Trunk means the main woody stem of a tree. When the roots are going to drink the water from underground, from the roots, trunk will receive the water. After, when the trunk will receive the water, then trunk starts making leaves. Then trunk started to going to making leaves. The trunk starts to making leaves. When it receives the water from the roots, suddenly trunk will start to making leaves. Like the second stanza, the maple tree is said like that. Deep inside the soil there are my roots. Those roots are drink the water from the underground. After that, when the roots are drinking the water from the underground, After my trunk will receive the water from the roots. After my trunk will grow, my trunk will starts making leaves. By drinking the water, trunk will going to start the making leaves. Like the maple tree is said that in the second stanza. After that, dear students, come to the third stanza. As I climb to altitude, leaves on my branches will make food. Soon my trunk and branches will grow wide and I will grow more bark outside. When my trunk receives the water from the roots, suddenly trunk will starts to making leaves. After, I will become very altitude. I will climb very altitude. What is the meaning of altitude? Altitude means very height. When my trunk receives the water from the roots, and suddenly my trunk will start making leaves. After suddenly I will become very height. When my trunk going to making leaves, suddenly I will become very height. Altitude means height. As I start to climb in altitude, leaves on my branches will make food. In my branches, leaves are going to make food. Already you know that food factory of tree is leaves, is it? Yes. When the maple tree going to very altitude, when the maple tree will become very height, on that time leaves are my branches will make food. Leaves are going to make food in these branches. After that, soon my trunk and branches will grow wide. When the leaves are going to make food in their branches, suddenly trunk and branches will grow very wide. The maple tree trunk and branches will grow very wide. Wide means, what is the meaning of wide? What is the meaning of wide? In Kannada we say that very agalavagi, is it? Yes. Here, when the leaves are going to mix the food in the maple tree branches, suddenly trunk and branches will grow very wide. After, and I will grow more bark outside. After that, the maple tree is saying that when my branches and trunk will grow very wide, after I will grow more bark outside. I will grow more bark outside. What is the meaning of bark? Bark means the tough outer covering of a tree. The tough outer covering of a tree or branch of a tree. Have seen that? Bark. Bark means the tough outer covering of a tree. The bark part give protect the tree. Is it? Yes. Here the bark means the tough outer covering of a tree or branches of a tree. Yes. When the leaves are going to starting makes food, suddenly trunk and branches will grow very wide. After that, the maple tree is saying that I will grow more bark outside. More bark outside. Bark means the tough outer cover of a tree and branches of a tree. After that, you have to come to the last stanza. I will be a maple very tall, losing my leaves when it is fall. But when it is spring, new leaves will show. How do trees grow now you know? Yes, dear children, when I will grow more bark outside. When my leaves making food in the branches, after I will grow more bark outside. After that, the maple tree is saying, I will be a maple very tall. Now I am become very big maple tree. When my leaves going to make food in the branches, after my branches and trunk will grow very wide, and after I will more bark outside. My bark will grow very wide, and after that I will become very tall. I will become very tall. After when I become very tall, on that time I am going to lose my leaves in it is fall. When it is fall, what is the meaning of fall? Fall means name of the season. Name of the season. Fall means season of the year that comes after summer and before winter. Which season comes after summer and before winter? That season we call that. That season we call that fall. Is it? Yes. In the maple tree is going to say that in the falling season my leaves will fall. My leaves will fall down in the fall season. Fall means name of the season. When name of the season, and when that comes after summer and before winter, that season we call that falling season. In the falling season, maple tree leaves are going to fall down. But when it is spring, new leaves will show. After in fall down my leaves in the fall season, after few days after, few months after, when spring season will comes, on that time my leaves will show. I will show new leaves. Spring means season after winter and before the summer. Season after winter and before the summer, that season we call that spring season. Here fall season and spring season. Fall and spring, those are name of the seasons. We heard that fall season, spring season and rainy season. Is it? Yes or no? Yes. Here spring season means season after winter and before the summer. Here in the last stanza the maple tree is going to say that when I become very tall, I lost my leaves in fall season and I will show new leaves in spring season. By listening all these stanzas, already you have understood that how do trees grow? Now you know. By listening all these stanzas, already you understood that how the trees are going to grow. What are the things the trees needs to grow? In the which season maple tree leaves are going to fall down, and in the which season maple tree will show the new leaves. Is it? Have understood or not? Yes. Yes, dear children, like the poet Meenish Goldish has written the poem Growth of a Tree. Is it? Yes. Yes, dear children, in this poem we have learned few new words with meaning. Maple. Maple means name of the tree or shrub. Is it? Name of the tree or shrub with 5 pointed leaves. Is it? Yes. Grown for its timber or syrupy sap. And trunk. Trunk means the main woody stem of a tree. The main woody stem of a tree. And attitude. Attitude means height. And bark. Bark means the tough outer cover of a tree or branch of a tree. And fall. Fall means season of the year that comes after summer and before the winter. And spring. Spring means season of winter and before the summer. Yes, dear children, you have to write these new words and meaning in your class workbook, and by using these new words you have to try to frame your own sentences by using the new words. Yes, dear children, I hope all of you understood the poem. If you get any doubts, you can call to me. And thank you for all watching my video. Thank you, one and all.